welcome, guys. I listen now to the messages on the group about checkers and stuff like that. This is Jan from Horizon. Look, I am Horizon is trying our best to recover all the checkers trolleys and for checker stuff because we are doing the recovery and stuff. But we can't be everywhere. So from my personal issue, I appreciate all you guys' help and letting me know the trolleys in the area and to come collect it and stuff. I appreciate all the help I'm getting. It makes my work also a bit lighter. But checkers is they will always just say Horizon must recover it, and because that's why we there. But we can't be everywhere. Like I cleaned the area yesterday, and when I go through there today again, and you guys are posting again on a trolley or whatever, I'm trying my best to be every day by all the areas, but I can't be everywhere. So all the help I'm getting from Horizon side, we appreciate the help you guys are giving us.